Hi, I'm Daniel Rhodes. I'm on the communications team for the Gerald Desmond Bridge Replacement Project. This is Janeen Obeid. She's Structures IQA Engineer for the Bridge Project. This next part of the tour is very special. We're here on the main deck and we're going to go to the top of the tower that's 515 feet high. We don't take the general public up there because it's an active construction zone and there's not a lot of space to move around. So let's go take a look. The platform is really high in the air. If you're afraid of heights, here's where you begin to feel it, on the elevator ride to the top. You can see the cables pass as we head up. And here we are. And this is an amazing view.
Yeah, it is.
We're up at the top of the tower, and I mentioned there's not a lot of space up here. It's about 50 or 60 square feet. And I know this is one of your favorite places to come on the construction site. Tell us what goes on up here.
Right, so as you mentioned, this is 515 feet. That's a 50-story view. So as far as construction, I get a great view looking down at what we're doing on the bridge. And then as far as just enjoying the view, I've got a great view of Long Beach right over there. What goes on up here? We have access at the top of the tower. So when we're doing those cable stays, the guys actually climb inside the tower to receive those cables and lock them in. Another thing, we're going to be putting in the damper at the top of the tower so that when our tower swings one way, our damper will swing the other way, and we'll keep going until we reach medium, and that's how we keep our tower safe during an earthquake.
That's great. On to another stop on our virtual tour.